Hi, I'm Cheryl, and welcome to Weekly Sound Bites. Each video will focus on just one sound in English to help improve your pronunciation. This video will talk about the TH sound. TH makes two sounds in English. It makes the voice sound. We use our vocal cords to push the air out. It also makes the voiceless sound. Th, th, th. We don't use our vocal cords. Okay. For both sounds, our mouth is in the same position. Our tongue is between our teeth. Our top lip does not touch our tongue. So, good. Okay, let's practice some voiced sounds. Repeat after me. This, that, these, those, the. Very good. Did you feel your vocal cords vibrate? Now the voiceless sound, let's practice some of those words. Thin, thank, think, teeth, bath. Did you repeat after me? Good. Now find other words with the TH sound. See you next time.